everybody, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel, the Model Car Cup Series, and the Batson Farm. Good morning. Here it is September 2nd, and we're about to do our drawing in our appreciation for you guys and all the support and love that you've shown us over the last 2 years that this channel's been up. As I've said before, in my retirement, this is just an awesome thing. And with me this morning is Hobby Dudette, aka Amanda.
Good morning.
My better half. And she wanted to say something to you guys too, so I said, hey, have at it. So, Amanda.
So I would love to tell each and every one of you, thank you for all of the prayers and the good wishes and the support that you guys have been giving me as I've been going through these little health issues for the past few months. And I appreciate it, and I do crave your continued prayers. But thank you so much for supporting us.
She has taken the time to read many of your comments, and it has touched both of us, and we, again, do thank you. Now, I ask that you guys give us a 007 in the comments, and we put your name in a drawing, and we started to do the electronic thing and all that, but I thought, you know what, we're gonna sit down, and it might take an hour or two, and we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way. So we got the 5-pound container of animal crackers that we kept for something, and I guess this is the reason we kept it. So there are, and by the way, there were just shy of 400 people that entered, so there you go, 400 in here. And I'm going to let Amanda do the honors of drawing out and seeing what we drew. Now, by the way, you know, I told you we're going to do 5.5 since we're 5.5K, 5,000 and a half, so to speak. So we wanted to do 5.5 gifts. Now, these are probably not going to ship till middle to the latter part of the week because 2 of the things that I ordered as gifts have not arrived yet. The half gift I've mentioned is a resin body, and you see it here. It is a 1966 short Suburban. But I thought as a half gift, a resin body, and half a resin body would be kind of fun and cool, and whoever wins it, I look forward to seeing what you're going to do with that. And with that being said, we'll give it one final turn. By the way, if you're wondering if the animal cracker bin, it was for my granddaughter Zoe. I like animal crackers. Now you watch, we're gonna go to a show and somebody's gonna hand me a box of animal crackers.
Yep. And you'll eat them too.
But Zoe eats them with me too though, so. Okay, there we go. All right, Amanda, for the resin body, all right. Who do we have? We have, you read that?
Greg Fricks 6146.
Greg Fricks 6146. You are the lucky winner. And by the way, guys, if we call out your name, email us at the email address in the description area under where you ask for a shop card. Just send your mailing information to that email address, hobbydude007@gmail.com, and just give us your shipping information and we'll get this out to you. Okay, so Greg, yeah, let me let her write that on the back. Here, we'll just do 5. I'll put half, that way we know. Okay, we know that one, what that one is. Maybe this would have been more organized if we'd have done it electronically.
He wouldn't have nearly as much fun though.
Yeah, I wouldn't have had nearly as much fun. And by the way, guys, with each of these gifts, you're also going to get some surprise tools and some channel decals, some stickers. But there's going to be some tools that are going to be in there with the model kits and with the other thing. Next up is going to be this 1965 Pontiac Bonneville Sport Coupe. And again, there's going to be some tools and other things that are drawn in there. Here, let me shake it up and let you draw again.
I shook it, but you go ahead.
All right. To me, this is more fun to do it the old-fashioned way, but...
There we go.
All right, who have we got? bearded guy, Jeff Lawless, at Lawless 5887. All right, Jeff, congrats, brother. All right. Bonneville. We'll put that with this one. Okay, next up is going to be, being a NASCAR guy, let me just go ahead and do this one first. I had to do a NASCAR kit. So we're going to be doing, this is a sealed, and I've got a number of these in my collection, so I pulled a few out, but this is one of the monogram Chevrolet Luminas. So next up, the Chevy Lumina.
Is it one? Nope. There.
There you go. All right, next up,
Arnold Strong
1863. All right, Arnold, got a Chevy Lumina coming your way, brother. And again, some tools. Next up, one of my favorites, of course, the 40 Ford Coupe.
And it's my favorite because I love the Coca-Cola stuff.
Yeah, she loves the Coke stuff too. I got a bunch of 40 Fords.
Okay.
All right, who have we got? Last name is Curtis. I can't even read my own handwriting. Leadfoot.
Leadfoot. Curse.
Okay, brother. Well, there you go. And again, guys, shipping information, make sure you put that in the, that's the 40.
Yep. And by the way, guys, we're doing this without our glasses on, so neither one of us can see.
The sun is kind of right where it's going to hit us, so we put our shades on this morning. Let's see. And the last of the kits is this Dodge, Coca-Cola Dodge truck. AMT kit.
I think the red one's pretty.
Oh, the red one on the side. Yeah, she loves Coca-Cola stuff too. Well, she already said that. All right, and sorry, I'm shaking the camera too.
Here.
This has been fun for us too, guys, and again, thank you all.
Ken Pickerel? Piscarelli?
Ken Piscarelli, forgive us for butchering names too, guys.
Like I said,
sorry about that.
Don't have my glasses on. Ken Piscarelli, 2703.
2703, okay. And so Ken, there you go. And finally, the big one is going to be some tools. And it starts off with a new airbrush that I really like. It's got a 0.3 millimeter head. It's a gravity feed. It's brass construction. It's a heavy duty. It's a good airbrush. This thing atomizes paint beautifully. And this is the Avante dual action gravity feed airbrush. This is good. My Corvette, when you see what you'll see when it comes paint time about this thing. This is a great airbrush. Also motor tool and accessories, but that's not all. For the grand prize, there's going to be some other tools in there too, like I mentioned, that are still coming in. So there is going to be at least a tool with everything that you get. And for the final
okay.
All right.
Terry Sanders, 8092.
Terry Sanders, 8092. Why am I sound like Ed McMahon repeating everything Johnny Carson says?
You sound like that guy at the county fair, calling bingo.
So now I'm the bingo caller, apparently. Okay, congrats, Terry, and congrats to all of you guys. And thank you so much again for entering and for drawing. You know, I think I'm going to keep this. And we might just take and draw out of this periodically for something else. But guys, we do love you, and we thank you. And we thank you for the love that you have shown us through all of these 2 years. including, and I got to mention this like Matthew does from time to time, including those that keep leaving that thumbs down on every single video. There's that one. But you know what? I've said this before, and here it is again. Hey, at least it's an interaction. You have to click on the video, which helps the channel. You have to hit the thumbs down. I'd rather you leave a thumbs down than no thumb at all, because it does show us an interaction on the channel, and it helps. But it doesn't matter whether you leave thumbs up or thumbs down, guys. We love you. We appreciate you taking the time to watch the videos and support the channel, and we really do appreciate it. Be sure you head over to HobbyNut Models, visit Mark, check out the inventory over there, and pick you up some paint, some tools, things like that. Again, thanks. God bless. We appreciate you and love you.
We do. Thank you.
We'll see you in the next video, guys.
Bye.
Bye.